friends, I'm Alejandro. I'm the director of this new movie called 234 million years ago that we've been shooting for the last week here at the Bear Goods Workshop. All made with natural elements, cardboard and stuff that we can find here at the Bear Goods Workshop. Let me show you, okay? So welcome to the set. You can see it's very small. The whole movie was filmed in this little set. We change and arrange different things. One of the very first shots is a dinosaur with a very hard light in the back, and it was pretty simple, but it was actually one of the most difficult shots that we have. We were using an orange light hidden in the moss. Most difficult thing was to make this little guy naturally walk, because as you can see, it's not a real dinosaur. His legs don't move at all. Trying to make him move naturally was kind of difficult. Let me introduce you to one of my favorite props of the movie, the dinosaur foot. It's actually not an elephant foot. Yes, we did use actual leather. This is one of my favorites because you could see a very dramatic shot of him stepping the Game Boy. It's completely handmade. We keep it simple. Recycling. We love recycling here. So yeah, for it to look real, at the beginning was very shiny, you know. What I did is mix a little bit of dirt with water. That's how we create mud and rub it. No, because a dinosaur has been in the wild for a long time, and that's how we do it. So the rise of the tombstone. This was inspired in, you know, those old movies, vampires, zombies. What we did is cover the tombstone with a little moss. We use a little tape and basically shaking first and popping out our favorite props, little flowers that will come out from the bottom, honor our portable gaming system, right? Our background, completely handmade. So for the asteroid shot, first of all, it was kind of difficult. We were thinking about tying up a little string and make it fly. So what we decided is to turn the camera sideways and just throw it, and while it's coming down, thing will appear like traveling through the screen instead of falling. It gets a more natural spin. We're back again with one of our favorite props. For stepping in and make it more dramatic, wanted to use climbing powder. When you step, it'll make it like a mess. We had people sneezing all around. The workshop people were kind of annoyed, but at the end, it worth it. Hey, welcome to the volcano. For this shot, it was not as difficult. We wanted to make almost like a science experiment with a paper cup. Hey, remember, paper cup. This plastic is fantastic, okay? With craft paper, spray paint through the hole. We put a vacuum cleaner hose, just like this. Our special effects department provided us with a little control, which would make that thing activate. Yeah, we didn't have any problems with the fire department, safety measurements. So let me introduce you to, call it the Lazy Susan, in case you were wondering how it did all those spinning shots of the Game Boy and the Game Boy case, and will spin by itself while we're shooting. We love her. I want to walk you through the whole setup. Mostly everything is handmade. We collect this from our Tia Linda house, cardboard materials that we had, like sitting on a table, and more branches that we got from Tia Linda house. Beneath these we have like a kind of foam, so we could little clay lava. Well, thank you for visiting here our set, for watching the behind the scenes. I hope you liked it, and I hope you have a great day. Hey, hello, welcome. So what's the movie called?
What was it?
234 million years ago. Like, and you're gonna make questions at some point. Is it rolling? Oh shit. Hey, hello fellas. I'm feeling like an influencer right now.